Hello everyone. I make this video especially for my younger colleagues here at UBC, how to upload your grades to the FSC. We begin with a spreadsheet that has the grades we want to upload to the FSC. The format of the spreadsheet has to be like this one. It has a column for session, campus, student number, subject, course, section, surname, preferred name, percent grade, standing, and standing reason. Percent grade is where you enter the grades. Don't worry about privacy issues here. The names are fictitious and the student number and the percent grades are also randomized set of numbers. Once you have that, we are almost ready. That spreadsheet needs to be in a specific format to be uploadable to the FSC, and the format is comma separated values, CSV. We go to the file, save as, and we realize, lo and behold, that there is not one, but many different types of CSV, at least for Excel. Actually, there are way more than 4. For Excel, there are 4. You see up here, you have the CSV UTF-8, or further down here, you have the plain CSV, or the CSV for Macintosh, or the CSV for MS-DOS. I've tried them all, and the one that works for me is CSV MS-DOS. You save it, and you are ready to upload it. Now we go to the FSC. Choose a course you want to upload grades for. In my case, I'm choosing this one. And there, you click on the Upload Grades button. Choose the file, which would be this one. I will click Open, and once of course, this is a fictitious file, and this is a real course. I'm not going to click Open. But after clicking Open, I click Upload the file, and that is all it takes. Now your grades will be safely stored and saved in the system, in the FSC system. They are not public yet. You haven't submitted them. You have only saved them in the system. Once you have convinced yourself that the grades are ready and final, only then you click on Submit Save Notes. At that point, there is no going back. After you click on Submit Save Grades, the grades are now official. They are public. Students can see them, and the only way to change them would be to fill out the change of grades forms, get that signed by the head of the department, the director of your unit, and you have to justify why you're changing that. Now, let's go back to the very beginning. You're thinking we've covered all the bases. Yes, we have. But let's go back to the format of that first spreadsheet that I showed you. One way of getting that would be going to Settings in FSC and making sure that you have selected Basics. For sure, that is a default setting, and you click Grades. That way, when you download the spreadsheet, it already has the columns that you need almost. You still need to check because it's going to be missing one, at least in my case. And further down here, Format for Download. When you download that one, you want that to be already in the format you need, CSV. So I clicked Download it as a text, comma separated value file. Please observe that you can download that at the beginning of the term as an Excel file, and that format cannot be used for grades upload, so we don't want that right now. Once you do that, you say, okay, that's what I want. We go for download, so let's download the class list. And look, it's verifying. It's telling us the columns that it will download. Student number, check. Subject, check. Course. Section is necessary, and it's not checked by default. Secondary section, no, that would be the laboratory. Term, no. Surname, fine. Preferred name, okay. Percentage grade, I agree. No letter grade. Standing, yes, and standing reason. And once you do that, you click and you download that CSV file. It's ready for you to fill the grades in and upload it back. And with that, we're done. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope that you meet me again in my next video.